Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna make some fajita together and I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. I have some a chicken breast cut up, and then I have some all like peppers, like all the colors of pepper, the sweet peppers and then the green peppers, and I have some onions. You're gonna need to cut your vegetables like julienne, like big cut. Okay, I have here a pan. I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna put some vegetable oil in there. Okay. And then after the oil, we're gonna put our vegetables. Okay, they're all gonna cook together, so I'm gonna wait when the vegetables get cooked a little bit, and then I'm gonna start off. Just go ahead and put my chicken breast in there, and then I will add my seasoning to it. I'm gonna add some garlic for the test. I love garlic, you guys. I put garlic almost on everything. Okay, now you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken in there. Then we're gonna start to add the seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and put some onion powder. Then I'm gonna put buharat. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Then some paprika. I love paprika. I'm put a lot of paprika in there. Then I'm gonna add some parsley. And then I'm gonna add some bolo, the chicken bolo, just a little bit for flavor. And then just tiny bit of salt. If you guys like it spicy, you can add some chili sauce, but I'm not gonna add any spicy to it this time. There's also a fajita seasoning. They sell it at every local store that you guys have. You can use it. Okay, you guys, I have some pita bread. I'm gonna warm it up in the microwave and serve it behind the fajita. And I know people eat fajita with rice too, but we like to eat it with bread. So I'm just gonna serve it with bread today. We're gonna mix it up really good. It smells so good, you guys. Some people put tomatoes too. It smells so good, you guys. Okay, and then I have here the bread. This is how I cut the pita bread. Cut it in half and then one more time. This is how they serve it on the restaurant, you guys. It smells so good, and now we start to take all the pepper's color. It's almost done, you guys. I don't know if you guys do the same thing, but I like to put some white vinegar at the end, just a teeny tiny white vinegar, just like that. It makes it like a little bit soury, and then it's really good on it. Go ahead and add some more paprika for the color. Okay, and this is the final result, you guys. Look at that. I wish if you guys can smell that. Now it's finished. I'm gonna go ahead and serve it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here. Okay. Just like that. And this is the final result. Look at that, you guys. Look how it looks, yummy. And we have here our pita bread. Everything ready. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like the videos, hit the like button and subscribe. And just enjoy our videos. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.